on cloud computing. Let's go. So before we talk about cloud computing, we should probably talk about what came prior. Let's start at the personal computers, which was a very big leap for us humans. Now families all across the United States could have personal computers anywhere in the house. No more huge desktops and monitors in just one room. Microsoft and Apple are one of the leaders in making personal computers across the world. With computers, one must need a network, and a network is when two or more computer systems are linked together. I have some examples listed about some networks. So the first type are local area networks, which are computers that are geographically close, but close together, so something in the same building. Wide area networks are computers that are farther apart, but are connected by telephone lines and radio waves. Campus area networks are computers within a limited geographical area, such as a campus, military base, home area, or military base. Lastly, we have home area networks, which are networks contained within a user's home that connects a person's digital devices like your laptop, your Macs, and your iPads. Next, we get to the internet, which is a global system of interconnected computer networks that use the Internet Protocol Suite to link billions of devices worldwide. Without the internet, cloud computing probably would not exist. So now you're probably wondering, what is cloud computing? Wikipedia defines cloud computing as an internet-based system that provides computer processing resources and data to computers and other devices. Cloud computing today is a highly demanded service. It has a high computing power, cheap cost of service, high performance, and lastly, availability. Some pros of cloud computing are it's not as expensive as buying software. If you Googled Microsoft Office, it retails for about $59.99 to about $149.99. With cloud computing, you can gain access to applications on any desktop with Wi-Fi. You don't have to email documents back and forth from school to work if you have different PCs and a Mac. That eliminated. Third, no lengthy updates for applications. I know every time I open Word, it seems like I need to update it, so we don't have to do that with Google Drive. Fourth, there's zero installation on a desktop, which means more space on your laptop for other games and photos. And lastly, increased security from Microsoft Word. The only con I can think of is if you have spotty Wi-Fi connection, which would be hard to edit your documents, but Professor Hardaway said in class that they have offline features now, so I guess you can edit your documents if you are offline. Within cloud computing, there are two, sections of it. One would be the public cloud computing, which is a model of cloud computing services that provides a virtualized environment shared and constructed over a public network like the internet. A great example is Google Drive. I know a bunch of us use it. Some benefits are similar to cloud computing, but again, I'll say them again. It's cost effective, it's reliable, it's flexible, it has location independence. The second is private cloud computing, which involves a distinct and secure cloud-based environment in which only specific clients can operate. Private cloud computing provides computer power as a service, unlike a virtualized environment. Hewlett-Packard Enterprises offers a cloud computing service if anyone is interested. Same with public and regular cloud computing. Private cloud computing just has higher security and privacy. It's improved reliability and has cloud bursting. We have SaaS, which is short for software as service, which is where users can gain access to apps and databases over the internet. Some examples are Google App and Salesforce. My summer internship, I used a lot of Salesforce because Salesforce is used to help sales people log clients, track meetings, and track emails and notifications of clients and them, which is really helpful for them to have it all in one place. And it was really cool because all I had to do was open Google Chrome and type in salesforce.com and log in instead of waiting for a lengthy application that probably might crash someday. So it was really cool to get to know cloud computing before even going into this class. Some benefits of SaaS are also no additional hardware costs, no additional setup costs, updates are automatic and accessed from any location. So cloud computing future, they predict the next generation of cloud computing will focus on abstract virtual infrastructure and operational process. So even better tools, more tools to use. It'll get better as the years go on. And Forbes stated that 55% of enterprise predict cloud computing will enable new business models in the next 3 years. So by the time we graduate, there's probably going to be a lot more technology we need to learn, depending on our field of work. So it only can get better. So in conclusion, as a summary, cloud computing is very easy and takes the hassle out of using applications. I know I love Google Drive because I don't have to worry about if I close my computer, if my document or PowerPoint has saved or my slides have saved. I really love the auto saving. It's probably one of my favorite things about cloud computing. And we can only get better from here. The better will come in the future, and it'll be great to see how that goes. Thank you so much for watching my presentation.